ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ. ಇದು KPSC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು 2025 ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ದ position of an object or a point in a plane. We require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. Second point, the plane is called the Cartesian or coordinate plane and the lines are called the coordinate axis. The horizontal lines is called x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. The coordinate axis divide the plane into 4 parts called quadrants. Fifth point, the point of intersection of the axis is called origin. Sixth point, the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate and abscissa, and the distance of the point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. If the seventh point, if the abscissa of a point is x and the ordinate is y, then x of y are called the coordinates of the point. Eighth point, the coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0 and that of the point on the y-axis are 0, y. Ninth point, the coordinates of the given the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Tenth point, the coordinates of a point are of the form plus, in the first quadrant, minus, plus in the second quadrant, minus, in the third quadrant, and plus, minus in the fourth quadrant, where plus denotes a positive real number and minus denotes a negative real number. 11th point, if x not equal to y, then x, y not equal to y, x, and x, y equal to y, x if x equal to y. Thank you one and all.